Hey everybody, all right, it's summer in Texas, and you know what? That is not normal. You hear that? That drip, 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 drip? Not normal, not good. All right, so what's happening is you've got an overflow drain way up there, and if that condensate main drain is clogged, it's gonna overflow into this overflow drain. Now this is kind of like a backup safety drain. So if you see water coming out of here, take action, because basically all that's saving you from a whole bunch of extra sheetrock repair is this thin little metal pan that's capturing this extra water. So let's go figure out why this primary condensate drain is not working. All right, nothing like being in a Texas attic in the middle of August when it's 105 outside. So let's make this brief. All right, so I've got two AC units. I got one here and I got one behind me. You can clearly see there's water in this pan, okay? Now, what's happening is this is your primary condensate drain. This is your emergency backup. So because this is full or not able to drain, water is overflowing from this emergency overflow into this pan, and then this pan is draining through this connection outside, and you're hearing the drip, drip, drip. So now let's look at let's follow this primary drain. So this drain goes this way, elbow, and then there's a T. Notice how this T goes this way and goes up to the other AC. Let's go take a peek at the other AC. All right, so here's that first AC, here's the second one, and if I look here below this one, yep, we got water here too. So same thing, you got the emergency overflow in the primary, which means now this primary is not draining. So if I follow this, they both connect here at this T. So if this is not draining and this is not draining, then we can lead to believe that this pipe down here, there's a clog. By the way, it tells me here that it's draining to a bathroom sink. Let's take a peek in here and we will follow this. This is pretty common. So the nearest bathroom sink is typically where these are plumbed in most relatively new construction homes. And I'll show you how to identify it. All right, so let's take a peek down in here. Let me see if we can see. Oh, look at there. Do y'all see that? Y'all see the water just kind of hovering? So it looks to me the water is hovering right about here and it's not going down. So let's go trace this pipe to the nearest bathroom sink. All right, here's the nearest sink, and let's take a look down here. And here's what you're looking for. So you normally are used to seeing a P-trap like this. What you may not see normally is this pipe. Now this little flexible pipe, if you notice, is coming out through the wall and is connected here in this little T-junction here. And chances are this right here is full of like calcium and lime deposits and clogged. And when we open this, you probably got probably about 8 feet of water, maybe 10 feet of water in that pipe that's gonna come gushing out. So what we're gonna do is clear all this out, put a bucket, get some towels, and get ready for a Niagara Falls. Fun. All of that came out of the air conditioner. So look at here, that sucker's clogged. That's our source of our trouble. We'll get it cleaned up. We'll be good as new. Just yummy, huh? Look at that. Just nasty. All right, let's soak this sucker and let's get it nice and cleaned up, okay? All right, so I cleaned all this out. Looky there, nice and clean. Got all that junk out, soaked in a little bit of bleach, got all that crap out. So now let's put it all back together. All right, water test. We're gonna fill this out and then let it drain. All right, nice and dry. All right, so we're back in the attic and now let's check the results. You should see a little bit of water here, but I don't see any drips coming out from here. So, all right, let's go check the other one. All right, so this one, same thing. I'm not feeling anything dripping from here, which means the primary is probably now carrying the condensate. To clean this out, we're gonna put a little bit of bleach here and a little bit in that same pipe over here. And what that'll do is it'll clean out any funkiness in these pipes. There you go. So you just saw me add a little bit of bleach. We should be covered for the rest of the summer. But folks, add a cup or half a cup to each one of your condensate drains. A little bit of bleach saves you a lot of headache. All right? Take it from me. I got a little lazy. I didn't do it at the beginning of summer. Luckily, I saved it before it created some costly damage to ceilings below. All right, so with that, I'll see you on our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and throw me a comment or two. Tell me what you liked and what you'd like to see next time. All right? Take care, everybody.